3, 2. Welcome to David's Garden Seeds. What we're doing this morning is we're getting ready. We've already started a little bit, but we're trying to get our fall garden put in. We got these transplants here, and they're not looking too good because it got hot and they had them in the trays. They had them soaking in trays of water, so that didn't do any good. They had these trays down here, and the plants were sitting there soaking, so it means that they were dying because the roots were not able to soak up the water. So since we've done this on Tuesday or Wednesday, they're looking a lot better. So we're going to start planting the stuff out. I have 50% shade cloth on here. I should have used 30% shade cloth. 50% is just too much. Alright, now let's go over here and take a picture of what we have here. We do have some stuff here. We do have some reaper plants and various flower plants. Alright. Alright, we've been working on putting down this white on black mulch. We're going to try it and see if it's any good or not. And we're we're doing our plastic up here on top, our shade cloth. We have 50%. We're putting 30% on it. We still have a little work to do on it. It just takes a long time to do stuff out here, because we only have a few hours. It gets too hot. But this week has been a lot better, as it's been as hot. Alright, so when you're getting ready to do these, what we did, there's this special tool. Where is that? Well, the special tool seems to be missing. No? That's another thing out here. You bring stuff out here and just grows legs and walks off. What we'll use is one of these. We get this at Johnny's Seeds, but I'm sure you can get it on Amazon, just about anywhere. And we poke a hole in it using this here. Okay. That's neighbor's goats talking to us, or sheep. Now, I thought I had all this laid out next door ready to go this morning, but great things happen. Alright. And what we're doing, these are 4x4 rounds, and then also 4x4. You take this little guy, and you put him in here. And tomato plants, you can get them pretty deep, not a big deal. And you bring it up. And of course it's in there, and you just hit it a couple times on there. It should come out, or do it like that. It comes out. Discovered this yesterday. I'll be able to plant this row of tomatoes here in about 10 minutes. Alright. And we have 3 we're going to start with this morning. And we did wet this yesterday so that it'll compact and you can pull it out. If it wasn't for that, then it would just fall through the little tool here. Wouldn't be able to pick it up. Alright. And I can hold it over this here. Pull the tag out, and then just take it and stuff it down inside the hole. Not gonna hurt anything. You pull off through the like so. Put your tag back into it, and nothing to it. Down to the next one. Do the same thing. Nothing to it, see? And you're ready to go. And you may need something to put that back into that with. Alright. And then we have some Medina Pasta Grow that we use. And we put on here, we use it as a fertilizer and as a transplant shock treatment. And I can see that my bucket didn't make it back up here yesterday, did it? The cameraman was using the bucket, didn't bring it back up here. Yeah, he'll bring it back up here. And we've made some of this inside of a 5-gallon bucket. And I put a cup on each one. That's all there is to it. And we'll be doing tomatoes, and cauliflower, broccoli, collards, Swiss chard, all kinds of things down through there. Alright, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye. Burn the holes. And you get these adapters. I believe this is a 3-inch one here. There's a 1.5-inch one that we use for beans and smaller crops. Put it on there and move it around a little bit. I'll tap it so it can stuck up in there. And that's the easy part. Thank you for joining us.